Hello, welcome to Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce, Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about the importance of online banking, digital banking. So we all know how the digital banking plays a very important role. So the internet banking has taken the recent years with the as many as 80 percentage of uh, importance in the shares. So prefer online banking over the visiting towards the your esteemed banks. So what makes online banking services so uh, familiar and so important? So while we are doing in a research, so internet banking is also known as a online banking or e-banking. So digital platform as allows user of a bank to make the financial transaction online over internet connections. Internet banking offers most of the services, like traditional bank services whatever they used to, like deposits, transaction, payments. So in the recent years it has become a history, the banking offers e-banking services that can be accessed by an individuals who has creditor on the online banking account in their bank. So like some of the banks have even integrated the mobile banking app into their e-banking options. So what are the services and the features of the internet banking? So while every bank is different, most have adopted the online banking system to keep up with the lifestyles of the modern customers. Here we have some of the features, and let us discuss some of the online portals. So first is we can say that secured online with a unique ID and password. So until unless we know the ID and password, no one else can log on our account, so that we can say that secure login. So then the numerous customer service options, and they provide many services. For example, if you want to apply the check, so you need not to go to the branch. So from the app you can apply the check, and within 3 to 4 working days you will be getting your check on your hand. So set up cancel automatic payments. Then you can, if it is if you are adopted any automatic debit payment system, and you can access the cancellation process within your hands. So it is also possible. Then make bill payment systems. When you find a shortage of time, when you're not able to go directly to the some places like electricity bill, provisional bills, so you can make it through the online. So next is transfer funds between the accounts. So if you want to show, if you're finding like low balance in your another account, so immediately you can transfer amounts from your account to the same account, so without any charges. Next is deposits of checks. Next, check balance at any time. So you can deposit the checks and you can check the balances, view your transactions history. So in between that you can see during the month how many transactions you have done, and how many amount you have spent during the year, during the month. View the special offers, plan and track your savings. You can invest the amount in the banking and other insurances, or whichever area you want. So because the online banking has lower overhead than the physical locations, so this is also one of the, we can say, the many features are available with the online banking. So here now we'll see the small intro about the electronic fund transfer, ETF. So when you use electronic banking, the term you will likely to hear the most electronic fund transfers. Put simply, like we can say that it is ETF. So through the electronic transfer, well, you can easily transfer and will take a few minutes to complete the transactions, and the work have been done. So here we have many advantages. The one is most important one, 24/7. At any time, there is no holiday for the online bankings. Unlike the transaction of banking at any time, at any schedule, you can do it. and convenience, and you can do according to your convenience. There is no time limit. When you find time on after 9 o'clock, 9 p.m., yes, you can. But in physically, if you want to get into the bank, it is not possible. So this is one of the main features and advantages. We can say that automatic bill payment is, if you already set the payment date, automatically, if you have enough amount in your account, it will be, or it will give you the alert like you have a payment date. So like we have many advantages, and it is also an importance for the online banking, which is very important for the current fastest mode of world. Thank you.